what should draw interns and college students to Maury and Schoenfeld is, again, being part of a firm that is growing and is investing in its people, and it is really people first.
I would describe the culture at Maury and Schoenfeld as very supportive. Everyone here is committed to my professional development and growth from day one.
Once I came to Maury and Schoenfeld and kind of like interviewed and saw the offices and met some of the people, I just knew I wanted to be here, and I've been here ever since.
My first expectations about the internship, I thought it was just going to be like basic administrative work, but I was actually surprised. After the first week, I got into really nice projects. I got to work with corporations and individuals.
What I really liked about my internship here is I was given real work from day one. In previous internships, I'd been given busy works and tasks, but here I was given tax returns almost immediately.
Starting the internship with Maury and Schoenfeld, I really felt, okay, yes, I can do this.
I think the most unique aspect of the internship program at Maury and Schoenfeld is the fact that interns have the choice to see both the audit and the tax side. If you go to a lot of larger firms, that usually isn't an option.
The fact that our interns are allowed to be in the partners' offices, shadow their phone calls, hear about their experiences, and work directly with them, I think gives them opportunities that they won't have elsewhere.
I think Maury and Schoenfeld is very uniquely positioned in the sense that we are a good-sized accounting firm. So there's a lot of opportunities that can come from that.
As evidenced by many of my colleagues, this is a great place to start and grow and potentially end your career.
My internship was incredible. I 100% recommend to anybody that wants to pursue their career in accounting.
I absolutely think Maury and Schoenfeld has set me up for success. I think Maury and Schoenfeld has given me a phenomenal foundation of tax work to be able to propel me in whatever direction I want to go from here.